Hello world, my crackheads! This video is about building a PCB. Here is her visual 3D model. Links to the circuit and board are in the description, where are also archives with data for Gerber and Flatcam programs. The device itself is very simple. This is a USB to RS-232 converter. Video from the last attempt CNC 3018 machine. Drills very well, mills a little worse. It is necessary to choose the right cutters. Final production stage. The payment is ready. This is what happened after tuning and installing copper jumpers. Let's take a closer look. I think that the first time it turned out fine. The board works, it is determined by the computer and receives and sends data. Now the Sheikh emitter can be connected to the USB port.